Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And I am back with a no-buy update for, well, January and so far here in February. Today is the 16th of February. And so I will be updating up to this point today. And I have a confession. The clearance bin at Mart got me. And I got a few things. Like, hello, you're supposed to be on a note replacement only, no buy. Well, yeah. So I purchased the Revolution Conceal and Define. It's not very often that I find clearance foundations that are anywhere close to my shade or in my shade. So I had to get that. You know, didn't have to, but. And then I found another one from Revlon, College Day Full Cover Foundation in a color close to my shade or my shade. So and then what are the other three little goodies I got? This is all on the same day in January. I'll put my January tracker up here so you'll see which day that was. But I saw this Quo Beauty lip gloss and I am a sucker, absolute sucker for lip glosses, and it was only $4.99. And it's supposed to have plumping, but I mean, I don't really care about that. It's the color. Look at that beautiful color. Love it. So that, yeah, that took me by the hand and said, "You're taking me home." And this, another thing from Quo Beauty is this Lip and Cheek Mud. And it looks like the Rare Beauty, doesn't it? Although Rare Beauty's is more flat, like it's a sphere, it's a sphere on the lid, but it's more flat. So it's supposed to be more ergonomic for people with arthritis. But yeah, so it looked pretty. So I want to try that. Quo is the Shoppers Drug Mart house brand, so you only get it from Shoppers Drug Mart. And then they had this on sale as well. This is the NYX Ultimate Glow Shots Liquid Eyeshadow, and a beautiful champagne gold color. So yeah. So yeah, I broke my no buy for those. Not proud, because it's supposed to be a replacements only no buy, and I told you I don't need any replacements in makeup for, well, for years. So, how did February go? Well, ordered a couple of books from Amazon, and to get the free shipping, I had to add about $6 or so on the order to get free shipping. So now this is waterproof mascara, and I don't have a lot of these. This is my third one, and I'm experimenting with waterproof mascaras to go over my regular mascaras to keep them from flaking, smudging, that sort of thing. So I don't have a lot of these. Waterproof mascara, that is. I have a lot of non-waterproof mascara, but I don't have a lot of waterproof mascara. But does that mean I needed it? Absolutely not. So yeah. So far in this year-long replacement only no buy, it's kind of a fail. So yeah, that's how my no buy is going. Hopefully March will be better. Thanks for watching, friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.
For me, work, for me, work, the body for me, work.